to Simple Coloring Drawing.
Hi everyone and welcome to the Simple Coloring Drawing channel. Today we are going to draw and color a Ryder, Chase, and Skye from Paw Patrol. Let's start drawing. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Awesome! Now I use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible.
Whoa! Wow!
Let's paint this cute drawing together. If you like the video so far, please hit the like button. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock struck 5, she went to her hive.
Great job! Thanks for watching and see you on next video.